When your child has fever, half the stress does not come from the fever, but it comes from the advice that you would receive from the grandparents, from the extended family, from the WhatsApp aunties. Let's bust today 5 fever myths that every Indian parent has heard. Number one, high fever means serious illness. No. Not always. I have seen children with a fever of 104 degrees and playing happily around the clinic. Also, I have seen children with a fever of 100 degrees and looking really sick. So, it is not the number that is very important. It is the child, the overall behavior of the child that we look into. Number two, fever should come completely down to normal temperature once the medicine has been given. No, paracetamol's job is not just to bring down the fever, it is to reduce the discomfort that the child has along with the fever. So, if your child starts feeling better, drinks fluids, smiles again after giving paracetamol, it just means that paracetamol has worked. It has done its job. Number three, do not give milk or curds during fever. Please do give milk. If your child wants curd, give that too to the child during fever. If that is what your child wants, that's perfectly okay. During fever, any kind of hydration, be it buttermilk, curd, coconut water, ORS, Nimbu Pani as well, even fruit juice, you can give any of these fluids. 4. Cover the child completely with blankets so that the child sweats out the virus or the fever. No, you can't sweat a virus out. You will just make your child more uncomfortable. If you want your child's temperature to come down, you will have to make them wear very light clothes. You dress them comfortably. You can even give a bath during fever, a lukewarm water bath. In fact, many children feel fresher and more comfortable after a bath. Fever is not going to enter the body because the water touched the child. 5. Most common myths that you have to give antibiotics if the fever lasts for more than 2 or 3 days. A fever's duration doesn't decide whether the child needs antibiotics. The child would require antibiotics only if the cause of the fever is bacteria and not a virus. Because most viral fevers can easily last anywhere from 3 to 5 days. I hope this helps you a lot. And do let me know in the comments below what kind of information would you like about fever.